Welcome, guys. It's KOK Gift Baskets and more. Bringing to you some more Mother's Day concepts. In the front of you here, I have this beautiful tropical box. And inside, I put my large rose bear. I put a mom tumbler. I use Bath and Body Works Forever Cherry Blossom body wash and body lotion. I use some perfume in this real beautiful bottle here with the cherry on top. I also have a I Love You candle, and I have a watch and 2 bracelet set. Have a little loofah in the back there. So I'll just turn it here for you guys. Just let you see what's in it. All right. So we'll go to the next one here. Okay, guys, this one here is the medium-sized tropical box. And in it, I also use a large rose bear, perfume, a watch, Victoria's Secret, a mango temptation, lotion and body mist. I also have a mom tumbler and I Love You candle. So I will go ahead and turn this one for you. Use my orange shred in this one. Okay, guys, this next one here, I used another decorative box. In it, I have one of the nice plush robes from CVS. I have a pair of house slippers. I also have a diffuser in the back of the Dressed in White Bath and Body Works body cream and body mist. I have the mom picture frame, and I have Best Mom Ever candle here, and an artificial flower arrangement in the back. In front of the robe, I have a blue wallet and this beautiful white tumbler with straw cover. So I'll go ahead and turn this one for you. All right, guys. Here is one of my beautiful pieces of wall art I have in the back. I have a leopard print throw blanket. I have a leopard print small bow-shaped pillow. Have a black robe, black house shoes. Have the Himalayan salt lamp, artificial plant, and the Victoria's Secret Canyon Blooms body cream and body mist. Get this one turned. All right, so we'll go on to the next one. Okay, guys, here's another one of my small Ottomans. And what I have in it is the Best Mom in the World pillow. I have rolled up a nice plush ivory colored blanket that's under the pillow. I have my Victoria's Secret slippers on either side of the pillow. In the front, have the watch and the I Love You candle. I have the stiletto perfume there in pink. I have an artificial flower arrangement. I have the Bath and Body Works cherry blossom body cream and body mist. And I'll go ahead and turn it. I also use that little beaded round white tray to sit the perfume on and the artificial flower arrangement. I did about 5 more of these. And this one I have a purple rose bear, have some pearl trim. I also added the fairy lights. I put those in each one of these containers. So I have the passion fruit body mist and lotion. And one tag is my pricing tag that comes off after they purchase it. And then I leave the nice little Happy Mother's Day tag for them. Okay, and then I did the red. So I did 2 of the red rose bears. I put in the Yes Mercy body mist and body lotion, and have my little pearl trim at the bottom. All right, guys, so that's all I have for right now. I will be coming back as I slowly get my concepts complete. Thank you guys for coming to see what I had going on. I will see you in the next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.